Hello, friends. Uh, Good afternoon. We'll just start in 1 or 2 minutes, waiting for some more participants to join. 72 participants have joined till now. Hello, everyone. Hope all of you are doing well. You can reply on me on chat. Okay, Venkatji, thank you. Okay. Yeah, God is kind. Yeah, good evening. How is investment going, friend? How is investment doing? Are we making profit in our investments? Anybody who is struggling with profits, or it's doing good? Better. Thank you, Swamiji, for the first trust. Thank you, those who have joined for the first time. Thank you for showing first trust. And we believe that this webinar will help you a lot in your investment. That is our whole purpose. Investors, in fact, traders who all have understood the benefit of fundamental analysis have benefited out of our program, our webinar, our app. So जो लोग भी फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं आज, उनको बहुत ही वेलकम कर रहे हैं हम लोग, because we want you to stay with us for long term, and surely you will make a huge profit, and our association will help you a lot. Yeah. So friends, so welcome friends. We have 112 people, good audience, good number of audience. So okay, Kolapkar ji, thank you for joining for the first time. So friends, now let's start with a small query that I have in my mind. Who all believe in portfolio? Who all believe in creating good portfolio? Who all believe in creating good portfolio? Okay. Okay, I am. Anybody who believe that making portfolios is not a sense, and अगर हम लोग portfolio ना बना के अगर हम लोग stocks में buy sell करते रहे, short term profits and all, who all believe that? who all believe that portfolio is not useful? So you can write no, penny stocks we do not advise. Both not useful. Okay, Sanjay ji is writing not useful. Okay, portfolio is useful. Anybody not useful? Anybody believe that portfolio is not that great understanding? I can find one or two people, only 2-3 people find it not useful. Now let me tell you, friend, one thing. Let me tell you one thing. Short-term profits or losses में वो surprise दे सकते हैं, short-term profit. But when you do long-term, when you create portfolio, the portfolio gives surprises. What I mean by surprises? Surprise means that you have a good portfolio, you have created good portfolio, and suddenly your portfolio starts going up, and you don't know. Suddenly the portfolio value is 1 lakh rupees last day. Day it is 1,12,000, then third day it is 1,60,000, 15,000, 20,000, 40,000, 1,60,000, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, and gradually goes. So this is what I call a surprise when you create a good portfolio. Now, Stanley ji, he's not in his program. He has some other important work. So very sorry for that. Yeah. Thank you for your patience, sir. Yeah. So good portfolio, what happened gives you surprises. What by surprise I mean suddenly over a period of 10-15 days, जब आप short term investment करते हैं, you don't know, there is a 50% chance to be in that surprise. Are you getting me, friends? Anybody who is not understanding this? Are you getting me? Surprises can only be get in portfolios, because जब market अपना rally शुरू करते हैं, when market start giving rally, तो you don't know, either you will enter half the way of rally, or you may enter at the end part of the rally. But जब आपकी अच्छी portfolio रहती है, when the market start, then you are from the base, like catching it young. When it is totally young, then you are in the portfolio, and slowly, gradually, your portfolio starts going up. And every day you look at your portfolio value, it's increasing. So that is the benefit of having portfolio. Now, by good portfolio, we mean, by what do you mean by good portfolio? Now, ये मैं बहुत देर से बोल रहा हूँ, good portfolio, which is a kind of vague answer or vague thing. But by good portfolio, we mean simply, अगर मैं ज़्यादा complicated ना करूँ, by good portfolio, I mean value stocks portfolio, और कोई भी portfolio जो आप लोग बहुत ही knowledge के साथ, एक proper testing के साथ बनाते हैं. Now, who all does not understand a tested portfolio? एक test किया हुआ, planning किया हुआ portfolio. Anybody who does not understand this, or everybody understand? Rajesh Bhatia ji is asking, something that you never sell is a good portfolio. Amazing, sir. Yes, but you rebalance it. You have written it correct, sir. Rajesh Bhatia ji has written, a good portfolio is something which you never exit. 100% right. That means the portfolio of an investor should always have stocks. हमेशा stocks होने चाहिए. But उसके साथ ही साथ rebalancing बहुत important है. What do you mean by rebalancing? You need to exit those stocks are becoming poor, and you to enter those stocks are becoming good. ठीक है? And for new people, let me. Yes, rebalancing is very important. And for new people, let me repeat this. What do we mean by a good portfolio? Is a basket of good stocks. And how do we create good stocks? already Jacob ji has written that. So to create good stocks, you need only 4 things. Friends, जो लोग भी नए हैं, can you please raise hand, or can you write yes on chat? For them, it is very important. If you guys have joined, if you are giving your valuable time, 1 hour time to us, then it is our duty that you should take something from here. आप यहाँ से कुछ लेके जाएं. That is the most important part of our webinar. कि आप यहाँ से एक बहुत अच्छी चीज लेके जाएं. So एक कंपनी, क्वालिटी कंपनी कब बनती? 4 फैक्टर से बनती है. So let us discuss this 4 factor. We were discussing that, Ramji. So 4 factors. What are these 4 factors for new people? Because already our subscriber, those who have attended earlier, they have already mugged what we have said. उन्होंने पूरा learn कर लिया है what we have been teaching. If you guys can keep it in mind, then it will be a very powerful tool for you for lifetime in investment term. So what are these 4 factors? Sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. Sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. Friends, those who have joined for the first time, जो लोग भी आज first time join कर रहे हैं हम लोगों को, I would request, अगर आप लोग ये 4 point अगर chat में लिख पाएं, because what I believe, in fact you will also believe, that जो हम लोग को बचपन से सिखाया जाता है कि सुनने से तो दिमाग में आ ही जाता है और लिखने से वो और डबल हो जाता है हमारे माइंड में. एंड वी ट्राई टू फॉलो इट मोर डिलिजेंटली. बहुत स्ट्रांगली हम लोग फिर उसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं. सो दोज हु हैव जॉइन्ड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, I would request them to write these 4 factors on chat, and please make these 4 factors mantra of your investment. These 4 factors should be a mantra of your investment. Friends, sales growth, कंपनी चालू ही होती है, कोई भी बिजनेस हो, अगर उसमें सेल्स ग्रोथ ना हो, इट्स अ बॉडी विदाउट सोल. इट्स अ बॉडी विदाउट सोल. प्रॉफिट, अगर हम लोग खाना नहीं खाएंगे तो ये बॉडी और सोल दोनों नहीं चल पाएगा. प्रॉफिट से लाइक फूड. ठीक है. फ्री कैश फ्लो, फ्री कैश फ्लो इज प्रॉपर हैबिट. लाइक हम लोग रोज नहाते हैं, करते हैं. इट्स लाइक मेकिंग आवरसेल्फ क्लीन. हम लोग प्रॉफिट कर रहे हैं, हम लोग सेल्स कर रहे हैं, हम लोग प्रॉफिट कर रहे हैं, एंड वी आर सेविंग फॉर आवर फ्यूचर. व्हाट इज फ्री कैश फ्लो? Free cash flow is a savings for our future. Free cash flow is a saving for any disaster that is not seen by anyone. Uncertain problems like COVID. So sales growth, if a company has a sales growth, you have studied 25%. You will write in your investment by 25%. In fact, 35%. Sales growth has so much power. I will show you the power of sales growth. तो it's a 35% power है उसमें. Then profit growth, it's again 25%. So you have completed how much? 60% you have completed. 60% तो प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ और सेल्स ग्रोथ पे ही आपकी क्वालिटी कंपनियों का चयन हो जाता है. यू हैव फाउंड द बेस्ट स्टॉक्स फॉर योर इन्वेस्टमेंट और योर पोर्टफोलियो with the help of sales growth and profit growth. 60% chance that because everything is chance in stock market. So 60% chance you are going to make good profit in that stock. Free cash flow. Free cash flow help you. How many people doubt stock market or doubt stocks? How many people? Be honest. I think out of 144 people, I think 140, कोई 4 लोग ही होंगे जो विश्वास करते हैं बाजार पे. सबको लगता है कि सब कुछ मैनिपुलेटेड है. How many of you believe that? How many of you believe that? Only 4 people. Everybody else, सबको लगता है कि मार्केट जो भी है सब कुछ ठीक है. Yes, only 5-10 people. I'm not sure. I don't, I'm not sure that only 10-15 लोग ही बिलीव करते हैं कि स्टॉक मार्केट में स्टॉक्स आर मैनिपुलेटेड, प्रॉफिट्स आर मैनिपुलेटेड एंड ऑल. That's true, but do you have doubt? Do you have little doubt? That is what I'm asking. Okay, Deepak Taneja, thank you. Nothing is manipulated. Nothing is manipulated. Deepak Taneja, you are 100% right. Nothing is manipulated. If we have studied properly, ऐसा नहीं है sir. There is nothing is pure in market. 24 कैरेट गोल्ड भी हमें नहीं मिलती है प्रॉपर्ली. दैट ऑल्सो हैज स्मॉल इम्प्योरिटी. बट हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वी चेक, वी क्रिएट अ चेकिंग टूल. एंड फ्रेंड, फ्री कैश फ्लो इज दैट चेकिंग टूल. फ्री कैश फ्लो इज दैट चेकिंग टूल. अगर फ्री कैश फ्लो इज गुड इन अ पर्टिकुलर कंपनी, दैट मीन्स आपने बहुत बड़ा एक चेक कर लिया. यू हैव गिवन अ राइट चेक इन योर पोर्टफोलियो. एक बहुत बड़ा मैनिपुलेशन से खुद को बचा लिया. सो फ्रेंड्स, in some of our webinar we will explain how free cash flow is so powerful. Today it will be very difficult for me for explaining that. It's because free cash flow itself is a very big term. So in a small way, let me explain you one thing. एक कंपनी है जिसका सेल्स 1000 करोड़ का है, and it is making profit of 200 crore, sorry, 1000 crore sales and 200 crore of profit. And उस साल what company has done, 250 crore company has invested in buying machinery or decorating its office, blah blah blah. So what is a net take home for a company? 1000 crore sales, 200 crores profit, 250 crore investment or expenditure, whatever you can call it as. What is the net savings of the company? It's zero. It's negative 50 crore. So friend, this is what free cash flow helps you. This is what free cash flow teach you. अगर कोई कंपनी 1000 करोड़ की प्रॉफिट कर रहा है, is that a good company? No, it's not a good company. And if the company has this behavior all the time, that means, और अगर वो 200 करोड़ प्रॉफिट कर रहा है and is only spending 50 करोड़, what is his net take home? 150 करोड़. That means he is, इस साल उसने 150 करोड़ अपने लिए रखा. अगर next year कोविड आ जाती है, what will happen to this company? Nothing will happen to this company. If any uncertainty comes, nothing will happen to this company, because this company has 150 crore extra a savings in his account. उस साल उसने प्रॉफिट किया और उस प्रॉफिट को रिटेन किया उसने. It doesn't spend away that profit. So this is the power of free cash flow. So maximum, this is the manipulation is done in stock market or companies. Not manipulation, this you can call it as a accounting gimmick, whatever you can say, jugglery or XYZ. But otherwise, you are sure that okay, the company is jitna sales kar rahi hai, utna cash, it is also saving cash for future. Then return on equity. Return on equity helps you to identify a company ki is company, ye company mein maine jo capital invest kiya hai, if I have invested 1 lakh rupees, either it is creating 15%, 20% profits or not on my capital. Okay, so friends, जो लोग भी नए हैं, let me repeat this once again. These 4 factors: sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow, is a powerful factor that will help you to identify great stocks, great companies. Now, when you use these factors, what happened? You can create a great portfolio. एक great portfolio अगर बन जाए, so what kind of return can we expect? If we can create great portfolio, what kind, और 10 साल के लिए हम लोग सोचें, So what should be the return? What return should we expect? क्या return हम लोग create कर सकते हैं? How much year will it take to 10x? Oh my God, multifold. Okay, if we call it markets gira बढ़ा, whatever, market has fallen or market risen, I don't care. I want that amount. Yes, Jacob J has written 25% CAGR. Friend, 25% CAGR means, what do you mean by 25% CAGR? That means within 3.5 years, your money is going to get doubled. In 3.5 years, your money is going to get double. Friend, if you get this strategy, you go to YouTube or you go to anywhere, you listen to any great investor or a fund manager, they says this is the best return one can expect. And if you are consistent with this return, then you are through. And that is exactly possible with great strategies and great portfolios. 25 से 30% friend बहुत लोग हैं. Though I think there are 157 people, those who have just started investing in stock market, and in the stock market is very kind right now. Some of the stocks are going up and up in spite of not being that of great quality. But friends, we have seen, in fact, most of you, those who are from in stock market from longer time, you must have seen what happened to stocks, how these stocks fell, and कैसे कैसे market गिरती है. तो how stocks fell, 80%, 70% stock गिर जाते हैं, those who are of not good quality. And in fact, friend, let me tell you this, good quality stocks also fall by 15-16%. Now, what is that? What is the biggest thing which we need to understand is, good quality stocks, they fall by 20%, 15, 20, 30% in fact, or bad quality stocks 80% गिर जाती हैं. But good quality stocks rebound sharply, और वो सारे losses आपके cover कर जाती हैं. But the bad quality stocks, on the other hand, they fell by 80%, they revive maximum by 10-15%, and it takes 5, 7, 8 years. Again, when the bull run comes, then you starts recovering in that stock. And 80% people are out of that stock at that point of time, because 5 साल एक जिसमें आप loss कर रहे हैं, how will you stay with it? So friends, we have found a great idea, great understanding, जिसमें आप कुछ quality stocks which we will recommend you can invest, and with the rational, हम लोग पूरी लॉजिक बताएंगे कि किस लॉजिक पे हम लोगों ने उसको क्रिएट किया है. उस रैशनल के साथ यू कैन स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग इन दोस कंपनीज एंड कैन क्रिएट. सो मोस्ट अकाउंटेबिलिटी इज विद अस. हम लोग पूरा ट्राई करते हैं कि हर तरीके से आपको बेस्ट क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स दें. देयर कैन बी एक्सीडेंट, बट अगर कोई एक्सीडेंट भी हुआ एक पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक्स में, तो देयर इज अदर स्टॉक्स टू हेल्प यू विद दैट. और slowly, gradually, you reach to your goal of 25-30%. So would you like to see some of the strategies, the tested strategies, artificial intelligence tested strategies? Most of you must be knowing, because I can see few faces who have already subscribed to our strategies and on. And जो लोग ने नहीं subscribe किया हुआ है, for them. So let me show you, friends. So friends, we have 20 equity strategies with us. So now we are coming to some of the greatest portfolios. We have created 20 equity strategies. Before that, let me give this on chat. Our website name is valuestocks.in. I've sent you the link. मैंने आप लोगों को लिंक भेज दिया है, जो लोग भी वेबसाइट में जाना चाहे जा सकते हैं. So these 20 equity strategies, friends, we don't know where, nobody knows in fact कि markets किस तरफ head करेगा, but yes, we know surely a good quality stocks will always head upside. ये surety I can give you. I'm again repeating this, again in Hindi में भी बता रहा हूँ ये बात. हम लोगों को नहीं पता. This is my 15 years experience. I have joined this stock market in 2007 as a research analyst. I'm still a research analyst, and I've seen all the ups and downs. 2008 mein I've seen the 2007 June I joined market when markets were going up and up and up. In January I saw the fall. Okay, so let me give you my brief. In 2007 when I joined in June and till December, it was a fairy tale. Stock market, market mein you invest 100 rupees, it will become 200 next day. Oh my god, it's so easy. Invest in 5 stocks, you will make money. You will make money. 10-15% is nothing per stock market. And whenever at that point of time we used to have sub brokers and brokers. So जब भी उनको बताया कि ये stocks लेना है, and it's very easy to become a best research analyst at when markets are bullish. Okay, but it's become challenging when market falls. So in 2008, as we have all seen, जो markets में fall आई थी 2008 में because of subprime, and poor quality stocks did not revive. They fell 80, 90%. Some stock get delisted. They did not revive. But good quality stocks, 1-1.5 साल में ही when market started moving up, they made newer highs. Okay, so friends, इसीलिए we need to be in great stock. अगर यहाँ से market कुछ भी होता है, you will start recovering very fast. So friends, let me show you. There are some strategies. So let me open first quarterly strategies. और let's start with yearly strategies. So friends, आप लोग बहुत लोगों को पता भी नहीं होगा कि वॉरेन बफेट ने अपना स्ट्रैटेजी रिवील किया हुआ है स्टॉक मार्केट में. He has revealed in his annual report what is his strategy. वो सेल्स ग्रोथ, सेल्स देखते हैं, प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ देखते हैं, फ्री कैश फ्लो देखते हैं. So I will just show very fast. If the company's name of Warren Buffett is Berkshire Hathaway. If you go to Berkshire Hathaway annual report in 2017, in the year 2017, if you click it on page number 25, you will find his acquisition criteria. Okay, friends, this is his acquisition criteria. That means उन्होंने अपनी strategy reveal कर दी है. The person who is making 25 to 30% CAGR every year from last 40-50 years, friends, उनकी strategy we have on a page, on a platform, जहाँ पे वो खुद लिखते हैं कि what is my strategy. And what we have done nothing. We have just implemented his strategy on our website. And we have also named it as a Warren Buffett strategy. In last 5 years, the strategy has given 111% return. So let us see what is the strategy, how we can create a great strategy as per Warren Buffett. So friend, we all know, or should I ask, is Warren Buffett is a short-term investor or long-term investor? What do you think, friend? He is a long-term investor or short-term investor? Long-term investor, friend. So what happened? And he follows fundamental analysis, बहुत strongly follow करते हैं. Then what we did, he is writing demonstrated consistent earning power. What does this mean? He looked for profit growth, continuous profit growth. He looked for continuous profit growth. So what we have done, we have created a strategy जहाँ पे we will see for last 5 years the company should grow in its profit by more than 5%. Friends, यहाँ पे बहुत से लोग, few people, you must be of sales of their own business. बहुत से लोग होंगे जो लोग खुद का business भी करते हैं. What do you think? Is it easy to create profits every year by 5%? Is it easy, friend? 5% profit में growth करना is easy or tough job? What do you believe? It is tough. It is very tough, friend. Or there are hardly some companies, 30-40 companies, that's able to create profit annually every year 5% से grow कर पाए. So what this is the parameter, and we have also taken free cash flow. That means company जो भी sales कर रही हैं and profit कर रही हैं out of it, it is retaining that profit with in the company. And return on equity for last 5 years, company is continuously giving good return on investments of the investors. And there is one point, business earning good return on equity while employing little or no debt. So we use this parameter over here, 15 as good return on equity, and debt equity company should not have any debt, very little debt, 0.3% debt. It is giving us 15 stock, and last year the stock has almost equal to the benchmark, or uske pehle saal when index was -9%, this strategy was 16% positive. And these are real return, friends, jo bahut sare investors have already invested and gained out of it. So friends, now it's your turn. Yes, now it's your turn to be a part of this journey in which you can create great return in your portfolio. And you can see the stocks. And on 7th of July, we are coming with another set of great stocks in this category, Warren Buffett. And who should buy, who should look for this strategy? Okay, the person who is a little risk averse, because why I would like to show you, when markets were down in COVID scenario, जब market COVID के time पे 36% गिरा था, ये strategy सिर्फ 18% गिरी थी. That means the drawdown during a pandemic was very less, and the simple reason is ये उसके लिए है, आप देख भी सकते हैं, क्योंकि प्रॉफिट कंपनी में इतना है, उस प्रॉफिट को कंपनी सेव भी करती है और इन्वेस्टर्स को रिटर्न भी देती है और डेट नहीं है, तो पैंडेमिक उसका क्या बिगाड़ेगा. So that is the reason it fell half of the index drawdown. जहां इंडेक्स 36% गिरा था, it fell only by 18%, or recovered it so drastically. It recovered when markets closed करी 9% negative में that year, but this strategy closed at 16% positive. So friend, this is the power of this strategy. Yes, total debt to yeah. So friend, so this is the power of this strategy, in which you can create great return in your portfolio every year. So har saal, because this time we are not been able to launch this strategy on 6th of June. So next year 6th of June again this list will come. So अब की बार हम लोग 7 July को we are going to launch the stocks, and you can see what was the stock name last year. जो इस साल जो थे stocks which has given 52% return. So we have Akzo Nobel, Sanofi, Bajaj Finance, HDFC Bank, IGL, Infi, ITC, Muthoot Finance, Coforge, PI Industries, Relaxo, Vinati Organic, Whirlpool, MGL. Then you also have Endurance. So friends, with this strategy, and we have also improvised it further. हम लोगों ने और भी इसको improvise किया है. We expect that this should do more better for the investors. So this is one strategy, and those who are looking for कि मुझे capital भी बचाना है, and at the same time want to grow in market, grow my funds in the market, for them this is the best strategy. Now the showstopper this time, the strategy which was a showstopper in yearly strategy, was, let me give current year, Jim Slater. Okay, and there another strategy was Kenneth Fisher. ठीक है, as I said you, let's just start with Kenneth Fisher. जैसा मैंने आपको कहा, सेल्स बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. सो Kenneth Fisher एक ऐसी स्ट्रेटजी थी. सो it identifies stocks from its sales. अगर कोई कंपनी का प्राइस उसके सेल्स के बराबर है, if एक कंपनी का प्राइस उसके सेल्स के बराबर है, that means that company is cheaper. This is the idea of Kenneth Fisher. You guys can read about Kenneth Fisher in YouTube, Google, anywhere. He's a great investor and he has made great profit for his company and for his thing. और यहाँ पे भी हम लोगों ने केनेथ फिशर के बारे में डिटेल क्रिएट किया हुआ है. He has this book named as Super Stocks by Kenneth Fisher. He's a value investor. वो value investing choose करते हैं. That means he finds stocks at cheaper cost and he use sales to find those stocks. So friends, you can see 53% return was from index and his return was 99%. इंडेक्स का रिटर्न था 53% while उनका रिटर्न था 99%. So that was huge. What was उनका सबसे बेस्ट जो क्राइटेरिया था इसमें वो था प्राइस टू सेल्स लेस देन 1. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ पी रेशियो, प्राइस अर्निंग रेशियो जैसा ही है, बट प्राइस अर्निंग रेशियो में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, अर्निंग लेते हैं, while इसमें हम लोग सेल्स लेते हैं. इसमें ही सजेस्ट मिस्टर केनेथ फिशर सजेस्ट टू टेक सेल्स. ठीक है, सेल्स लेते हैं. देन वी हैव आल्सो एडेड फ्री कैश फ्लो, दैट कंपनी सेल्स करके प्रॉफिट कहीं बाहर खत्म नहीं कर रही है और डेट इक्विटी भी थोड़ा कम है, 1.25 है. देयर शुड बी म्यूचुअल फंड एंड दिस. सो दोज हु आर लुकिंग फॉर, बट यस दिस स्ट्रेटजी will have drawdown. 36% market was down, it was down by 14%. Otherwise, in except COVID is a one kind of scenario in 100 years. Otherwise, markets में इतने ऊपर नीचे चढ़ाव रहा. This strategy has 7% से 16% ही fall की. So those who are looking for some value buying stocks, जहाँ पे you can create great return through cheap investments, like Warren Buffett has given 54% return, 53% return, but this strategy has given 99% return. So this strategy can give you wonderful return over a period of time. अगर markets में कभी भी गिरावट आएगी, this strategy will give you great stocks to invest at cheap value. Whenever market will go up, this strategy will go up very fast. So, but yes, with इस strategy में थोड़े risk हैं. Otherwise, this strategy is great. Okay, so this was one of the showstopper of our value stocks last year. This strategy we have sold to many customers. 50+ people took this strategy. Okay, more than that I think. So let us see Jim Slater, which has given 107% return. Okay, you can read about Jim Slater over here. His book name is Zulu Principle, Making Extraordinary Profit from Ordinary Share. छोटे छोटे शेयरों से हम लोग कैसे extraordinary profit बना सकते हैं. He used this PEG ratio for last 5 years. ये again एक valuation strategy है. He used to see P ratio less than 20. Profit growth should be there. Then there should be return on equity बहुत higher होनी चाहिए, 20 होनी चाहिए. Dividend yield, company should be dividend paying and positive free cash flow. You can see a kind of return it has created, 107%. So the CAGR in last 5 years is 18% for this. Okay, because इसने अब की बार बहुत ही superb stocks निकाले हैं. And you can see the name of these stocks: APL Apollo risen to 34%, Coforge 170%, Gar Fiber 115%, GSPL 50%, Heidelberg 38%, Manappuram 0.8%. Emphasis 124%, MGL 19%, 9%, Sundaram Chemical 71%, and Tata Chemical 129%, and then Triveni Sugar 236%. So friends, we don't know which stock will do well, but portfolio helps you to have those stocks which has a potential to rise 200-300%. और overall एक साल में ऐसा भी रिटर्न आप क्रिएट कर सकते हैं with the portfolio. And as you know, friend, market has become very dynamic. So आपको बहुत जरूरी है to invest in some logic में investment करना बहुत जरूरी है. And generally जो general investors के logic होते हैं, logics are buying some stocks which has fallen most, जो बहुत ज़्यादा गिर चुके हैं, let's buy that. जिसमें losses हैं and now we are listening that they will go up, और वो company अच्छा करेंगे, we buy that. So stop doing those speculation. These strategies will help you a lot. So आपको invest करना है, you need to forget for 1 year. So those who all want to buy and forget for 1 year. We have 135 people. If you can respond, that who want to buy and forget for 1 year. Yeah. So for them, these strategies are superb. Okay, so you can go for it now. So I have shown you we have also created some Benjamin Graham strategy. This is again valuation strategy, 84% return. Benjamin Graham is a guru of Warren Buffett. Then we have created some 10 years जिसमें sales growth. मैं तो वो चाहता हूँ जिसमें 10 साल से sales growth हो रही है, जो कंपनी रुकी ही नहीं है. Friends, this strategy has potential to give you Amazon kind of stock. Amazon kind of stocks, the stocks from $34, it's trading at $3,000. ऐसे stocks हमको यहाँ से मिल सकते हैं. Because Amazon is all about sales growth, nothing else. Profits उसमें बहुत बाद में, after 10-15 years, company started making profit, but it was continuously growing in sales. We all know, we all buy online. Do we? Yeah. So sales growth. So this idea is about sales growth. The company that is growing from last 10 years, it's continuously growing in sales, but लोगों ने वो identify नहीं किया है. It is that strategy. Then we have low P strategy. Okay. No, George Matthew ji, you cannot buy and forget forever. You need to rebalance it in a year. Okay, so 40% around stock and 60% stocks remain the same generally. क्योंकि हर कंपनी उस कैटेगरी में और क्राइटेरिया में फॉलो अप नहीं कर सकती, तो 40% स्टॉक्स निकल जाते हैं, कुछ नए 40% आ जाते हैं. कोई बात नहीं रॉब जी. So this is one strategy. Then we have one strategy which has 10-year profit growth. This has given 56% return last year. Then we have Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. This we are discontinuing. Warren Buffett. Then we have PIM Wallet. So these are some of the strategies you look for. But yes, these are some of the hot kick strategies of annual strategies in annual strategy. Now, it's a highly demand strategy, which is quarterly strategies, because most of our investors, वो लोग समझते हैं कि please हम लोग quarterly में rebalance करना चाहते हैं. They doesn't want to keep their stocks for they doesn't want to keep their stocks for 1 साल 1.5 साल और बाजार में movement आते तो they become very panicky. So we have created some quarterly strategies जिसमें हर quarter आप rebalance कर सकते हैं अपने stocks को. And this time, just in 3 months, there's a strategy called small cap low P strategy, is 53% return. So friends, अगर सालाना देखें तो it's around 200% return. So what is the benefit of buying these strategies is, these are the strategies, and we have used in these quarterly strategies, we have used our proprietary tool, which is a very powerful tool, QBS and AGS. Friends, those who are new to this webinar, I would request them to take one-to-one training. What is one-to-one training? I will explaining you in 5 minutes. One-to-one training where you can interact with my colleagues who are expert. They will explain you what is QBS, what is AGS. ये बहुत ही powerful tool है AGS QBS, and it's give you super return. बहुत ही scientifically हम लोगों ने create किया है. So this is one. कोई भी company quality business score, we call it as a quality business score, and AGS is called as a alpha genta score. तो कोई भी company जो high quality है, so maximum score can be 22. Any company which has greater than 14 score is considered to be a great stock. Okay, सो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ये इसको हम लोगों ने यूज किया है एंड यू कैन सी अ काइंड ऑफ रिटर्न. मार्केट सिर्फ 22% बढ़ाता है एंड स्टॉक हैज, दिस स्ट्रेटजी हैज रिटर्न 53%. There is whole drawdown and everything given for your transparency. So this is one strategy. Now let's see which is the next strategy in this quarterly. So 7 जुलाई को इसमें भी हम लोग नए stocks निकाल रहे हैं because all the stock list will get all the results by 30 June. So 7 July is a great day for us and for you, those who want to rebalance or those who want to invest in great portfolios. Then another strategy was small cap price momentum, which has given 45% return in just 3 months. Then we have multi cap growth. Then we have mid cap price momentum, 25% return. Then so these are some of the strategies, mid cap growth and all. So yeah, so let me also show you mid cap price momentum. This is one of my favorite strategy because mid cap में कुछ stocks ऐसे होते हैं which are trying to become large cap. So अगर quality तो कहीं ना कहीं mid cap में 50% of the stocks have good quality. So अगर आप खाली उसमें momentum खोज लें, then you will be able to find those stocks that has potential to become large cap. So ये stocks, like you can see, let me open this. Yeah. If you just see the returns in quarterly returns, see, if you look at from here, 12, 27, minus 13, almost negligible negative, 7%, 10%, 6%, 16%, 15%, 12%, 10%, 14%, 13, 12, 21, 30, 17, 25. So at a kind of balanced return you will get, and that too index को 10-12% beat करके ही आप इसमें create करेंगे. So this is one of my favorite strategy, mid cap price momentum. Those who want to be a moderate investor, जो लोग भी चाहते हैं कि moderate investor रहें, for them this strategy is a very powerful strategy. 15 stocks हम लोगों ने दिए थे. If you click here, so these are the stocks. बहुत ही क्लासी स्टॉक्स आते हैं इन मिड कैप प्राइस मोमेंटम बिकॉज यू आर बाइंग दो स्टॉक्स विच आर इन मोमेंटम एंड ऑफ मिड कैप. सो व्हाट आई बिलीव दैट इसमें से यू विल गेट सम स्टॉक्स विच विल बिकम लार्ज कैप इन नियर फ्यूचर. सो आप, हम लोग क्या चाहते हैं कि हमारे जो स्टॉक्स हैं वो स्मॉल कैप से लार्ज मिड कैप होते हुए लार्ज कैप बने, मतलब बड़ी कंपनी बन जाए, and we have investment, we are enjoying it, and returns are also creating. Because once a company become big, a big large company, those who have investment in TCS at 10 rupees, जो starting में IPO में ले लिया था 10 रुपए में, 20 रुपए में, 40 रुपए में, whatever the IPO price was. Because I used to I have few elder oldies people or gold old people, they say मेरे पास बेटा, मेरे पास ये stocks 20 रुपए में है, IPO में लिया था. And why will you bother if you buy such kind of stocks which has become large cap? Markets कहीं भी जाए, you know. So mid cap price momentum in one strategy where you can see a wonder happening. You can see a wonder happening. So that is the reason it is my best strategy. Okay. So next strategy we have multi cap. जो लोग बोलते हैं भाई मुझे ये मिड कैप, लार्ज कैप, स्मॉल कैप समझ नहीं आती, आई वांट तीनों कैप में मेरा कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट हो जाए. अगर स्मॉल कैप चले तो आई विल एंजॉय फ्रॉम स्मॉल कैप, मिड कैप चले तो आई विल एंजॉय फ्रॉम मिड कैप. सो फॉर देम मल्टी कैप ग्रोथ इज वन ऑफ द ग्रेट स्ट्रेटजी. इट इज आल्सो गिवन ग्रेट रिटर्न्स. जहां इंडेक्स का रिटर्न 10% था, it has given 33% return, 189% in last 5 years. CAGR is 40%, friends. Almost 2.5 साल, in fact 2 साल में पैसे डबल. So friends, ऐसी strategies हैं, very scientific, very fundamental. So to safeguard you, to make you strengthen. So friends, so on 7th of July, all the new stocks will release. And till 7th of July, please listen this very carefully. We are running an offer. What is that offer? Those who all are serious in creating who all seriously wants to create their portfolio, I have an amazing offer for them. Who all seriously want to create this portfolio? Okay, 2 people. For you guys, we have a very great offer. 3 quarterly strategies and 3 annual strategy, which cost somewhere around 30,000. We are providing those strategies to you for 15,000 rupees. So let me give you one-to-one link. So till 7th of July, this offer is valid. After that, the cost would be 30,000. So those who seriously want to create great portfolio, they can look for it. 3 quarterly and 3 annual. So you can choose your great stocks, list of great portfolios. Valuation, you can decide कि आज मुझे valuation में जाना है. Then I want to go for growth. I want to go for price. So you can test. ठीक है, आप टेस्ट भी कर सकते हो कि मैं अगर इस सब कॉम्बिनेशन में रहता हूं तो what is the overall return I get in my portfolio. Okay, I've sent you one-to-one link. If you want to invest, Mr. Jip Technology, Kolapkarji, if you want to invest, you don't need to have much understanding because this is all simple fundamental which we are using. हम लोगों ने बहुत कुछ आप जैसे investors के लिए filter out कर चुका है. We have already filtered out most of the important thing. For 3 years, not for 3 years. I'm talking 3 quarterly strategies and 3 annual strategies. Okay, or 6-month strategies. So you can buy these 6 strategies. So that cost around 30,000. We are providing you for 15,000. Okay, so I have sent you the link, one-to-one link. Yes, Sekhar Das ji, so please join this one-to-one link and schedule your time and you can go for it. So friends, it's a time to rebalance your portfolio. You have till 7th of July, you can create some wonderful portfolio, and that too at very minimal cost, and can enjoy. Yes, Swami ji, what you will get a list of stocks. हर strategy में 10 से 12 stocks होंगे, so you will have around 20, 30, in fact 25 to 30 great stocks to invest in market. Okay, 3 quarterly and 3 annually strategies. ठीक है, आप decide कर सकते हैं, and that for a very small price for everyone. Sekhar Das ji, please join this one-to-one training जहां पे आपको दे दिया जाएगा. Let me give you this once again. If you are already an investor, then how will you help it? You can invest and enjoy. Krishna Raj ji. For how long? Quarterly is for 1 quarter and annual is for 1 year. Quarterly is for 1 quarter and annual is for 1 year. Okay. Any other query, friend? Yes, we'll try to, Praveen ji, we are trying to release stocks as early as possible. I think it will be released before that. So let's see. Jacob ji, you need to talk to Prateek and the person whom you are talking. No, Swami ji, it's not 15,000 for 1 year. I'm again saying you 3 quarterly strategies which will be a quarterly, 3 महीने के रहेगा, 90 दिन के लिए, और एनुअल स्ट्रेटेजी जो 3 रहेंगे वो आपके 1-1 साल के लिए होल्डिंग रहेंगे. सो 3 स्ट्रेटेजी जो रहेंगे वो आपके एनुअल होल्डिंग के पर्पस के लिए रहेंगे, और क्वार्टरली स्ट्रेटेजी जो रहेंगे वो आपके क्वार्टरली स्ट्रेटेजीज के लिए रहेंगे. Okay, friend. Anything else, friend? So please join free 1-to-1 training. उसमें आप लोगों को और भी सारे डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगे, I've explained most of you about the strategies. जो strategies you can see, आपने देखा होगा कि strategies ने कैसे performance किया है, how they have performed, and you can enjoy it, sir. Yes, friends. So thank you everyone. No, Kolapkar ji, we are not providing any 5-year, 10-year plan. Mohan Shishri ji, please join 1-to-1 program, 1-to-1 training. I have sent you the link. So आपको वहां पे और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. Thank you, Venkat ji. Because all stock results will come by 30th June. So we are taking 4-5 days more to release stock list. Thank you very much, friend. Thank you. Thank you for participating, for coming to this program. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.